We are Parismus, the international association present in the 3 faculties of Sorbonne Université. We are about 30 volunteer members and we organize many actions throughout the year. We have 3 missions to welcome the international students and help them settle in Sorbonne Université, in Paris and in France. To organize events that encourage meetings and allow people to discover Paris and France at low cost, and finally, to promote exchange within the university. First, our buddy system, which pairs up international and French students. Parismus is also about trips in France and Europe, cultural and festive events like our walks in Paris, but also the Parismus on every other Wednesday. To promote international exchange, we have also our podcast on Spotify, and we are part of the big inter-associative projects. I invite you to come discover what Parismus is all about. Various actions, lots of meetings, and of course a great welcoming family. If you want to join us, our recruitment starts in September. Don't forget to check out our social networks, and for the international students, come and meet us. The Parismus team is here for you.